In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT in Latin. Now, whether you want to translate the front page of ChatGPT to Latin or whether you want to talk with ChatGPT and get a response back in the Latin language, in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to do in order to make that happen. Now, with that said, I do want to mention that there is no official way to change the language to ChatGPT because there is no settings option on the left-hand side here, which means that ChatGPT is currently only available in English. With that said, I did find a way around this, so I am using Google Chrome on a Windows PC, so if you're using a different operating system, browser or device, the process for doing what I'm about to show you might be a little bit different for you, but whatever the case may be, at least make sure you're using Google Chrome because I'm not sure whether the feature I'm going to show you now is available on any other browser. So, once you're on ChatGPT, simply right-click anywhere on the screen, then click on Translate To, and mine right now is English, so to add Latin, simply right-click on the 3 dots, then click on Choose Another Language, and click on the arrow. From here, find Latin, which will be somewhere here from this massive list of languages. Click on it, then click on Translate. And as you can see, the front page of ChatGPT is now translated to your Latin. In order to get your replies in Latin though, you don't really need to do anything out of the ordinary. Simply talk to ChatGPT in Latin and it will automatically detect the language and revert back to you in that same language. So I did actually go ahead and copy a phrase from Google, which I'm about to ask ChatGPT right now, and let's see what it comes back with. Now, in some cases, it might give you an error if that happens to you, or if ChatGPT takes too long to reply, simply refresh the page and try again. And within a few seconds, ChatGPT should be coming back to you with a response in the Latin language. As you can see, it's already coming back to me with a response. So, yeah, that's pretty much it.